Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about copying your YouTube channel link on the YouTube mobile app on your phone, whether it's an Android or iOS device, it does not matter. And in today's tutorial, it should be a pretty straightforward process like it always is. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the YouTube app, and you're going to go ahead and select the U icon in the bottom right corner. And you want to select where it says share channel. And at this point, you can go ahead and share it on Facebook, or you can go ahead and copy the link, or you can select a QR code. You can copy it that way to your camera roll on your phone. Different options here to explore. And again, copying a link will just copy it to your clipboard. You can paste it into a different messaging app or website or wherever you may want to embed it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.